For vocals, we have Vox Comp. This one knob will make your vocal fit in the mix. Just hit play and start bringing this back until the reduction hits around -6 dB, maybe with some peaks up to -10. Now the vocal is compressed, which means less difference between the loud and the quiet parts. If you need the whole vocal to be a little louder, you can turn this one up. Let's hear a before and after.
World is on my dash cam, caught it in 4K. Don't get realer than that, I am on my way. No delays.
That's gonna stand out way more. If you're recording at home in a regular room and you have some background noises, or maybe the sound in your headphones leaked into the mic, you can use this gate to get some of that out of the recording. And if you only want to tweak one button, it's gonna be this one, the threshold. Any sound that's quieter than this is not gonna make it through the gate. So I have this recording with some kids in the background.
I've been so low, I'm better off on my own.
And now I'm going to increase the threshold until the kids are beneath it and the singer is above it.
Better off on my own. Oh, something's gotta change. And change for the better.
So the singer needs to be green or orange light. A quick way to clean it up. If you want some delay on your vocal, which is an effect that gives it a nice echo, you can use mono delay. And you're right, you'll need more than this one knob, but you only need these two, and they're very easy to use. So mix dry wet means how much effect do you want?
I'm losing no control. I'm losing no control.
A little more.
I'm losing no control. I'm losing no control.
And all the way up means there's no more dry vocal.
I'm losing no control.
Feedback means how many times do you want to hear it repeat itself?
I'm losing no control. I'm losing no control. I'm losing no control. I'm losing no control.
A little more.
I'm losing no control. I'm losing no control. I'm losing no control. I'm losing no control. I'm losing no control.
This is pretty endless, so you don't want to turn that up too much. And with a big button, you control the timing of the echoes. You can also just click it. This is every bar.
I'm losing no control. I'm losing no control. I'm losing no control.
This is every beat.
I'm losing no control.
And this is more of a slap delay.
I'm losing no control.
Now a real one-knob plugin if you want a cool underwater lo-fi effect, it's the underwater plugin.
I'm losing no control. I'm losing no control. I'm losing no control.
And to finish off your mix, go to your stereo output, which is here, add maximizer. For this example, I just put it on this track, and that's gonna glue the mix together and make it louder. So visually, if I render it, big difference. So I hope that helped. If it did, please like the video and also subscribe and have fun making music.